I have no idea how much of the video got cut out, but my GoPro battery died. Because I'm stupid and forgot to check it at the red light. Go me. Power wheelie. Scoop. Green light, green light, green light, green light. I'm gonna use my telekinetic powers now. Haha. How to shift while it's up in a wheelie, because that gets me in races sometimes. Is it'll come up in a wheelie and I'll let off and they just come by me. I'll try and do it up here in the straightaway. I'll try and shift to third. It's probably going to slam back down though. Look. People got in my way. And it just shifted once it hit the ground. I'll just start staying in it until it hits the rev limiter and comes back down. Dude, for a second I thought that van was pulling that big ass trailer. I was so confused. Dead end, huh? Where does it dead end at? Ooh. Shooting flames. Oh, this is actually kind of a fun road, it looks like. I have no idea what's around any of these curves, so I'm not going to be pushing it. Nope. Where the hell does this road go? That paint was slippery. It's the doggies. Hey, doggies. Here's the dead end? Yep. Man, my bike's getting hot. Come on, people. We got places to be, people to see. Not really, I ain't got nothing to do today. Gate? Oh, just a fence. No, I don't know. This would be pretty good though, right here. Hey, I have a question.
Yeah.
Who would I talk to about practicing riding in the parking lot? Can't do it? Okay.
Best part, because I was just fixing to tell you, go over there to that Buford Commerce area.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
not a privately owned like this is.
Okay.
So go over there,
Yes, ma'am.
and we got a lot more room too.
Alright. Thank you.
And there probably ain't no cameras over there.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is here.
Oh, that's a bust. Man, she's hot. Buford Commerce. I have no idea where that is, so I am going to pull over and figure it out. Go down here though. Also let my bike cool off. Scoop. Pull in the shade. Alright, well, I'm going to see if I can figure out where she was talking about, and I'll cut the camera back on when I start heading out of here. Well, I could not figure out what that lady was talking about, think whenever I looked it up, it said like just the shopping centers down there, and I don't think they're gonna let me do wheelies there. Haha, you left your blinker on, idiot. Hey. The boy's seat came off. What the fuck? That's my boy. He knows how to wheelie. Go try and wheelie my buddy's F4I. Dude, that shit's so easy.
Are you using rear brake?
Yeah. One more time. One more again. Easy to wheelie.
F4I.
Yeah.
Like the ZX, this F4I and the ZX6R are common for wheelies.
Yeah. Apparently the R7s are really good too.
I fucking hate those. Alright, so when you get it up, what do? Do you hold the rear brake?
No, I just like keep it up, and whenever it dips back a little bit, I just tap the rear brake while staying on the throttle. So, it'll like shoot down a little bit. You just give it a little bit more gas.
Let's go do a pull before it gets too dark.
Alright.
I have the GPS, so whenever we get off.
See guys, I can wheelie, just not on my bike. I'm scared of the power. Well, the adventures are done for today. Time to go home. I just can't believe that I forgot to talk for 99% of that ride with my buddy. I guess I've gotten so used to not talking when I didn't have a mic